In this lecture, I am going to explain about derivation and derivation tree in context-free grammar. So derivation is a step-by-step procedure, that is, by using sequence of production rule, we are going to find input string, and derivation tree is also called as parse tree, and derivation tree is the graphical representation of derivation. I'm going to explain this derivation and derivation tree by using example. Let grammar G is equal to three non-terminals are used in this grammar, S, A and B, and two terminals are used, A and B, and these are the production rule up to this, and this is start symbol S. So which is given in this question, and I am going to find leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation and also derivation tree for this input string. So let me start with leftmost derivation now. So when I want to find leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation, I have to start with start symbol. In this example, my start symbol is yes, so I have to start with start symbol. So simultaneously, I'll be drawing parse tree also. I'll rewrite this input string below so that it will be easy for me to explain. Then I am checking S production. There are two S productions. One is S tends to AB, another one is S tends to BA. So as in my input symbol, first character is A, I am going to choose the production S tends to AB. So I am drawing that in parse tree. S tends to AB. Now I completed first character in input symbol. And the next character I need is again A. So let me check this production. So here I want to derive B. So here the non-terminal used here is B. So I have to check B production. When I am checking B production, I could able to find three B production. So one is B tends to B, another one is B tends to BS, another one is B tends to ABB. Since I need my next input character as A, I have to choose the production B tends to ABB. So instead of B, I am going to substitute B tends to ABB. So I'll draw that in parse tree as well. Instead of this B, I am going to substitute ABB. Now, as I am going from leftmost derivation, here I could able to see two non-terminals. So the first non-terminal is this B and this is my second non-terminal. So always in leftmost derivation, I have to complete left to right. I have to complete the first non-terminal. So no matter whatever production you want to substitute, you can substitute as per your input symbol, but always complete this first non-terminal, then move to the next non-terminal. So that means you have to convert this to some small letters. So in this input symbol, I have completed AA, and the next character in this input symbol is B. So since I need this B production, so I'll be checking this B production. I have two possibilities in front of me. B tends to B, another one is B tends to BS. So either I can choose B or I can choose BS. So it's up to me. I can choose anything. So I'm going to choose B tends to B. Instead of this capital letter B, I'm going to substitute small letter b in derivation, as well as I'm going to substitute in this parse tree. So now I completed up to this, and the next character I need is again B. And so here if I check, here I have B production, and if I see B production, there are three B productions. So if I choose first B tends to B, I cannot able to proceed further in this input symbol. Hence, I am going to choose second B production B tends to BS. And if I choose third B production, it starts with A, but I need the input as B. So I am going to choose B tends to BS. So instead of this B in derivation as well as in parse tree, I am going to substitute BS. Now I completed AABB, and the next character in this input is A, and I'm having S here, so I have to see S production. So if I see S production, I have two S production. One is S tends to small letter A and capital letter B, and S tends to small b capital letter A. Since I need the next character as A, I'm going to choose S tends to AB, and I'll substitute this S tends to AB in derivation as well as parse tree. Now I completed up to this A, and the next character I need is B. So I'm checking here in this derivation, and the non-terminal here it is B here. So I'll check B production, and if I check B production, there are two production in B starts with small letter B. But if I choose this first production, I cannot able to proceed further. That's why I'm going to choose B tends to BS. So I'll substitute in derivation as well as in derivation tree. Next character in this input is A, and here I have capital S here. So I'm going to check S production. So if I check S production, I have one production which S production which starts with A. So I'm going to choose this S tends to AB. I'll be substituting this S tends to AB in derivation as well as this parse tree. Only one character is left in this input. So let me check this B production here. So if I see this B production, I have two B production which starts with B. Since I need only one character B, I am going to choose this production B tends to B. That means instead of capital letter B, I am going to substitute small letter b. Simultaneously, I will be completing this diagram. Now I got my input that is AA, BB, AB, AB by using leftmost derivation, and this is its corresponding parse tree or derivation tree. So AA, BB, AB, AB. Next, I am going to derive rightmost derivation. So either it is leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation. First thing we should do is we should start with start symbol. And the start symbol for this grammar, that is S. So I'll write S over here. Now I'll rewrite this input symbol also, that is, so that it will be easy for me to explain. So A, B, B, A, B, A, B. So I have to see the first character here. It is A. So I'm going to check is there any S production starts with A. I have two S production in which first one starts with the A. So I'm going to choose that S tends to AB. So same diagram is drawn here. Here I have capital letter B, non-terminal as B. Now I have to see B production. So if I see this B production, I have three B production. B tends to B, B tends to BS, B tends to ABB. So as I need this second character as A, I am going to substitute the production B tends to ABB. The same thing is drawn in this diagram also, that is B tends to ABB. Now, since it is rightmost production, I have to see this is my first production from right side, from this side, this direction to this direction, and this is my second production from right side. If I see, I have to complete this production first, and then I should come back here. So since I want to complete this non-terminal first in rightmost derivation, so I'm going to complete this first B first. So I'm going to leave this. So if I see this B production, I have three possibilities. B tends to B, B tends to BS, B tends to ABB. Right now, I'm going to assume that at the end I'll take care of this B tends to B, and I'm going to concentrate in remaining one. So I'll see this later. So remaining character I'm going to find out. So instead of this B, I'm going to see substitute B tends to BS. From right direction, the first non-terminal is S. So I'm going to check S production, which starts with A. Here I have a production S tends to AB. So instead of S, I'm going to substitute S tends to AB. So same thing I have substituted here as well, S tends to AB. Now the next character I need is B. So I'm going to check B production. So if I choose B tends to B, I cannot able to proceed. Hence I'm going to choose B tends to BS. So same thing substituted in this diagram, B tends to BS, and I'll substitute instead of B, B tends to BS in this derivation as well. Now I completed up to this BAB. Next character I need is A. And here I'm having the last non-terminal. Here it is yes, that is from right side first non-terminal is yes. So I'm going to take s tends to AB so that I'll be getting the input A. So instead of this, I'm going to substitute s tends to AB. And same thing I have substituted here in this diagram. Instead of this yes, I have substituted AB. So now I completed up to this A, and now the next character I need is B. So here the non-terminal used here is B. So I'm going to see B production. I need only one character, that is B. So I'm going to choose B tends to B. And the same thing substituted in this parse tree also, B tends to B. Now I am checking is there any other non-terminal. I could able to find one more non-terminal here. So the next character I need here it is B. All others I completed. So instead of this B again I am going to substitute this B. So instead of capital letter B I am substituting small letter b. Same thing I have completed in this part. So by rightmost derivation I got A A B B A B A B.